Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn how to negate the past tense. We're gonna learn how to say things like I didn't work, I didn't eat, I didn't go, and so on. In order to negate the past tense, we're gonna need two things. First, we're gonna need the word lam, and second, we're gonna need a verb in the present tense. Now let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to the table to see how we can negate the verb to go in the past tense. Let's start with the first one, huwa. We're gonna go from left to right. Huwa ذهب. He went. Huwa يذهب. He goes. Huwa lam يذهب. He didn't go. So as you can see, all we have to do is just put the word lam before yadhab to turn it into didn't go. Now let's look at the second one, hiya. Hiya ذهبت. She went. Hiya تذهب. She goes. Hiya lam تذهب. She didn't go. The next one, hum. Hum ذهبوا. They went. Hum يذهبون. They go. And hum lam يذهبوا. They didn't go. Now here something's happened. If we look at the verb يذهبون, meaning they go, and compare it to lam يذهبوا, they didn't go, we will notice that the letter noon or n from the end of it has disappeared when we negate it using lam. And that's the main grammar we're learning for this lesson, which is that the word lam makes the letter n or noon disappear from the end of the verb whenever the conjugation of the verb ends in the letter n. Now let's look at hunna. Hunna ذهبنا. They went. Hunna يذهبن. They go. And hunna lam يذهبن. They didn't go. If we look at the verb يذهبن, meaning they go, and compare it to lam يذهبن, we will see that the letter n has not disappeared from the end of it, contrary to what we just learned. And the reason for that is that in the Arabic language, feminine plural verbs are never affected by anything, so they never change. So far we've learned that the word lam makes the letter noon or n disappear from the end of the verb, except in the case of feminine plural. Alright, let's read one more from the table, and then we can move on to the sample sentences. أنت. أنت ذهبت. You went. أنت تذهب. You go. أنت لم تذهب. You didn't go. Alright, great. That's all the grammar we're gonna need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. He didn't learn Arabic. هو لم يدرس العربية. Number 2. She didn't go to the market. هي لم تذهب إلى السوق. Number 3. They didn't learn English. هم لم يدرسوا الإنجليزية. Number 4. They didn't go to the cinema. هن لم يذهبن إلى السينما. Number 5. You didn't live in a big house. أنت لم تسكن في بيت كبير. Number 6. You didn't work yesterday. أنت لم تعملي يوم الأمس. Number 7. You didn't work at a hospital. أنتم لم تعملوا في مستشفى. Number 8. You didn't drink coffee. أنتن لم تشربن القهوة. Number 9. I didn't live in a big city. أنا لم أسكن في مدينة كبيرة. Number 10. We didn't eat cake. نحن لم نأكل كعكة. Number 11. He didn't study a lot. هو لم يدرس كثيرا. Number 12. She didn't eat at a restaurant. هي لم تأكل في مطعم. Number 13. You didn't live in a village. أنتم لم تسكنوا في قرية. Number 14. They didn't go to the party. هن لم يذهبن إلى الحفلة. Number 15. We didn't drink tea. نحن لم نشرب الشاي. Number 16. You didn't go to the restaurant. أنتن لم تذهبن إلى المطعم. Number 17. You didn't study Arabic at university. أنت لم تدرسي العربية في الجامعة. Number 18. I didn't work yesterday. أنا لم أعمل يوم الأمس. And number 19. We didn't eat at the party. نحن لم نأكل في الحفلة. Alright, so that's it for the sample sentences. Make sure you check out sample sentences 2, where you're gonna see in the same sentence the past simple negative and the past simple for better comparison. Also have a look at sample sentences 3 for more examples on lam making the letter ne disappear from the end of the verb. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.